Hello students. So today we are in this video we are discussing more questions that we discussed in last videos. From that we move to the more word problems of mensuration. So let's start. In this question it says that it is about room. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 25 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? In this case, what you have to do, draw the figure likewise. This is your floor of the room. Clear? Length is always longest, so this one is 3 meter. And then, sorry, it's a 4 meter. And this one is 3 meter 25 centimeter. We have to find out the area of the floor or area of the carpet required, means area of the floor we first find out, and that is the area of the carpet required to cover the floor. Here what we have, you must note down what is given to you. Length is given, it's in 4 meter. Breadth is given, it's a 3 meter 25 centimeter. In this case we have to convert into meter. So as we know, 3 meter plus 0.25 meter, when we divide 25 centimeter by 100, it's 0.25 meter. So ultimately what we have 3.25 meter. Then we have to find out the area. As we know, area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. What is the length? Length is your 3 meter. Sorry, length is your 4 meter and breadth is your 3.25 meter. And what is the unit of area? It's a meter square. So it's a 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 2s are 8, 10, 1 carry, 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 1 13. This is decimal, meter square. This is the area of carpet required to cover the floor. Hope now you are able to understand. Move to the next question. Next question says that what is the cost of tilling a rectangular field 500 meter long and 200 meter wide at the rate of rupees 7.5 per 100 square meter? So one by one we solve this question. Here it's a rectangular field. Length is given to you 500 meter. Clear? Length is given to you, it's a 500 meter. Breadth is also given. (200 meter). So what is the area of the fluid? It's a length into breadth. Always you used to write the formula 500 into 200. 5 2s are 10. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Then 5 2s are 10. It's a meter square. This is the area. Cost is ₹7.5 per 100 square meter. 100 square meter. What does this mean? This means we have to convert this divided by 100 and multiply by 7.5. So total cost, likewise you will find out total cost. Total cost equals to, what is the area? Area is your 10, this one 3 to 5, this. Then it's a per 100 square meter, so to divide by 100. and then 7.5. It's a 1000 into 7.5. It's a 7500. It's a 7500 rupees. Clear? This is the answer. All of you have checked the multiplication process is same. You have to check the multiplication and division and check whether the answer is right or wrong. It's your one. If it's wrong, give the mention in the comment part. Move to the next question. Now our next question for discussion is, there is a plot of length 100 meter and breadth 60 meter, this one, and there is a path around the circumference of 2 meter wide each. 2 meter all around means this distance is 2 meter from here to here, this distance is 2 meter from here to here, all around 2 meter, again 2 meter, again 2 meter. Question says that find the area of the part. You have to find out the area of the part. In this case, first we have to find out the bigger rectangle, that inner one. How we find? See it very carefully. This one is area of the plot equals to length into breadth. What is the length? It's 100 meter. What is the breadth? It's 60 meter. Area is meter square. So it's a 6000 meter square. Now leave it. Come to this part. This one. No? This is your grassy area. Clear? For this area, what is the length? We don't know. In this type of question, remember, if this is your 100, so out of 100, this 2 meter is reduced and this 2 meter is reduced, means total 4 meter reduced. So what is the length of this side? You can say it's an inner rectangle. Equals to what? It's 100 minus 4. 2 from this side, 2 from this side we reduced. So it's 100 minus 4. It's a 96 meter. Clear? Similarly, breadth of inner rectangle equals to 60 minus 4. Why? Because this is total 60. 2 reduced from this side, 2 reduced from this side, this is your 4. 56 meter. Area of inner rectangle equals to length into breadth, 96 into 56 meter square. Clear? So next one is your answer is your 5376 meter square. Clear? So what is the area of the part? This area minus this area. Equals to this area 6000 minus 5376. It's a 4. 2, 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 3 6, 24 meter square. So this is your answer. So our next question is, it says that 4 square flower bed of side 1 meter 50 centimeter are dug on a rectangular piece of land of 8 meter long and meter 50 centimeter wide. There is a rectangular piece of land, likewise out of this some square part flower bed dug, likewise. Clear? Side of each is 1 meter 50 centimeter each, and then 8 meter long and 6 meter 50 centimeter broad. How we solve this one? First, area of let me, it is given that area of land, I am not writing here length and breadth, you have to write down in your copy. Area of land equals to, as we know, L into B. What is the length? Length is your 8 meter. What is the breadth? It's a 6 meter 50 centimeter. First you have to write down it's a 6.50. 52.00 meter square. This is the area of land. Now as we know that is area of a square, as we know it's a side whole square. Now come to this side. As we know it's a 1 meter 50 centimeter. We have to convert it into meter. So what we have? We have 1.5 square. It's near about 2.25 meter square. This is the area of one flower bed. Flower bed. This is a flower bed. It's a 4 into 2.25. Clear? 4 2 is a 8. 1 9, I think. See here. 25 4 is a 100. 0.9 meter square. Remaining part. It's this minus this. It's near about 43 meter square. Hope this thing is clear to you. All of you move to the next question. In this question we are going to discuss about a different type of question. Here it says that some tiles are given and you have to plot into a given area. Question needs number of tiles to cover that area. In this question it says that area of tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. How many tiles needed to cover this amount of area? I am choosing 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter respectively. So first you have to find out the area of tile. You must remember that a unit must be same. 12 into 5 centimeter square, it's a 60 centimeter square. Clear? If we are talking about centimeters, all unit must be in centimeter. So here I am choosing one area of rectangle region is the first one, 70 centimeter into 36, unit must be centimeter square. Clear? Number of tiles equals to, we divide area of rectangular region by area of tile. When you try to solve it, 0 0 cancel each other. It's a 42 tiles. Clear? This is the process. Move to the next question. It says that if the area of rectangular plot is 144 square meter and length is 16 meter. Here length is given to you. Area also given to you, it's a meter square and plot is rectangular. Find the breadth and plot and cost of fencing it at the rate of 6 rupees per meter. That is different part. First we have to find out the breadth, what is not given to us. So as we know, length into breadth equals to 144. What is the length? It's a 16 into b equals to 144. B equals to 144 divided by 16. It's equals to 9 meter. Now come to the next part. Question says that find the cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 6 per meter. So what is the fencing? Fencing means to cover a boundary one time by either by using wire or anything. We suppose this it's a wire, so we need to find out the length. Length means we have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter equals to, we know the perimeter of rectangle, 2 into L plus B, and here 2, L is your 16, B is your 9, and length is perimeter. So 2 into 25, it's a 50 meter. Total cost, it's a rupees 6 into 50, it's a rupees 300. So this is your answer. There are some questions given in every book, pictorial based question. I am going to give you hint how to solve. This type of figure you have and some measurements must be given. For example, in this case, all these sides are given 7, 7, 7, 7, 7 unit. Now likewise, everything. Question says that find out the area. In this type of question, all of you first try to divide into known 2 or 3, more than 2 or 3 figure. So if you observe, this is a rectangular part, this is a near about a square part, these two. See, if this side is 7 meter, so this side is also 7, so this is a square. You can easily find out by using the formula side square. Now this one, this is also the same, side square, both are same. Now in this case we can easily find out length into breadth formula. Breadth is 7. What is the length? You must add 7 plus 7 plus 7, 21 into 7. So likewise to find out, in this case you have to join this. In this case it's a 5, it's a 1, these are 2 and this is your 4. So you can easily say that this is your 1. So this is one of the rectangle, this is one of the rectangle. You can easily find out. Similarly in this case, it's a 12, it's a 10. If we join this one, so this is your 2. So 12, and even in this case, this is also given 2. So by using L into B, you can find out these two. No, you can find out these two. And in this case, it's also given, it's a 8. The complete is 10. It's a 2. If it's a 8, it's a 2. Again, L into B. So likewise, to find it and complete your exercise in your fair copy. Solve all the questions properly. In exam, all the questions may be change of type, language may be changed, but course pattern is same. So try to understand the concept. That's all for today. Thank you.